Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today's story is about something many people dream of, speaking English confidently. But this is not the story of someone born speaking perfect English. This is the story of a person who started with fear, mistakes, and small steps, and slowly changed. Let's begin. How I used ChatGPT to learn English. There was a girl named Shwetha. Shwetha always wanted to speak English. She watched videos. She listened to people speaking English online. But every time she tried, she stopped. Because she thought, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? Days became weeks. Weeks became months. One evening, Shwetha opened her phone and saw people talking about ChatGPT. She became curious. She opened it and typed, "Help me improve my English." And something unexpected happened. Instead of difficult lessons, she got simple practice. The first task, write 5 sentences about your day. Shwetha wrote, "Today I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go market." The grammar wasn't perfect, but she continued. ChatGPT corrected her kindly. "Today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to the market." Shwetha smiled. She realized mistakes were not the end. They were part of learning. The next day, she tried again. She typed, "Talk with me in simple English." Every day she practiced. 10 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 30 minutes. She asked, "Teach me one new word. Correct my sentences. Ask me interview questions. Give me short stories. Speak like a friend. Help me think in English." Slowly, her notebook started filling. New words, small sentences, confidence. After 1 month, something changed. She stopped translating every sentence. She started understanding directly. When she watched videos, she understood more. When she spoke, she paused less. One day, her friend asked, "How are you improving?" Shwetha smiled and said, "I stopped waiting to become perfect. I started practicing every day." She created a routine. Morning, learn 5 words. Afternoon, read short stories. Night, chat in English. Simple, not perfect, but consistent. After a few months, Shwetha recorded herself speaking English. At first, she felt nervous. Then she watched the recording and she noticed she had improved. Not because she was talented, because she practiced. Now Shwetha tells everyone, you do not need expensive classes to start. You need daily practice, curiosity, patience, and confidence to make mistakes. Use tools. Read, speak, listen, practice. Little by little, your English grows. And that's the story of how Shwetha used ChatGPT to learn English. Remember, no one becomes fluent in one day. One sentence today, one conversation tomorrow, and one day you'll realize you're speaking confidently. She practiced every day. She stopped being afraid of mistakes. But this was only the beginning. Because learning English is easy when motivation is high, the real challenge starts when motivation becomes low. One morning, Shwetha opened ChatGPT. But this time, she didn't feel excited. She typed, "I think my English is not improving." She had been practicing for weeks, but she still forgot words. She still made grammar mistakes, and she started comparing herself to others. She thought, maybe English is not for me. But instead of stopping, she tried something different. She asked, "Can you make English practice fun?" And her routine changed. Every day became a small challenge. Day 1. Describe your room in English. Day 2. Tell a story about your childhood. Day 3. Write a conversation at a coffee shop. Day 4. Explain your favorite movie. Day 5. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. At first, Shwetha struggled. She paused, she searched for words. But she continued. Then she discovered something. Learning became easier when she stopped trying to sound perfect. She focused on expressing ideas. One evening, she opened her old notebook. She read sentences from the first week, and she laughed because she noticed how much she improved. Small improvements became visible. That gave her confidence. Then she created a new habit. Every night she asked ChatGPT, "Ask me 10 English questions." Questions like, "What did you do today? What makes you happy? Describe your dream vacation. If you could learn any skill, what would it be?" She answered everything in English. Slowly, speaking became natural. Months passed. One day, her teacher asked students to introduce themselves in English. Earlier, Shwetha would avoid eye contact, but this time she stood up, took a breath, and spoke. "My name is Shwetha. I enjoy learning new things. I practice English every day." She made a few mistakes, but she finished. And something important happened. Nobody laughed. People listened. That day, she learned a lesson. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves. They are not counting your mistakes. So speak, practice, learn, repeat. Now, Shwetha had a new goal, not to speak perfect English, but to communicate confidently. And she promised herself, no matter how slow progress feels, she will continue. Success in English does not come from one big moment. It comes from hundreds of small moments. One word, one sentence, one conversation at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing English every day.